So chalantu aaj hum bhi late kariyani. My dear audience, without delay, let's welcome one and only very beautiful actress and very handsome actor Bonsu and Samba on the stage. समस्त का तरफ गोटे जोरदार ताली आसी दरकार समस्त का तरफ जोरदार ताली एवरीवन
Chia, chia, see, soon as she